challenges in a few corners. We will deal with those challenges, but like Kipia is peaceful. Let me just say, is continues to be a peaceful place. I think those are the key security issues. The rest of the issues will be raised at the Jukwaa la Usalama, and but we remain seized of the challenges that are here. Administrative units that have not been operationalized will be operationalized soon, based on the budget we have received in this financial year, which will be distributed equitably among various counties, but we will give greater consideration to areas that are facing security challenges, because that is our key key factor in considering which of the sub-counties should be operationalized. Yes, we will take 3 questions and then...
About the security status in Mandera, Somali border, especially a place called Bulahawa. We understand an attack. And then question number 2, the opposition has really been... What is your reaction?
The issue of Bulahawa, that is a sensitive security issue. As I've said it before, we continue fighting an enemy that is vicious. We have never stopped doing so. I think many Kenyans in Interland have always thought that if they don't hear anything, that the Al-Shabaab challenge has stopped. We have always had it continuously for the last 20 years or so. Our police officers, our gallant soldiers, our officers, all working in multi-agency, both military and police, have done a fantastic job together with the NPR in that region and the citizens in the border counties, and we want to commend them. We continue getting greater escalation of these attacks based on different times and depending on what has happened on the part of Somalia, which is now struggling to contain the upsurge of Al-Shabaab, particularly in Jubaland and the neighboring places to our border. It's our responsibility to continue securing it, and I want to thank our officers. What you saw yesterday is nothing compared to what our officers are doing to secure our border, and we are seized of all the issues that are happening in the border counties, and particularly related to terrorist attacks. And we will continue securing our officers, giving them the necessary equipment. Recent modernization program has helped a great deal to secure most of these officers, and we assist of that matter. On the issue of police brutality, I don't know if you cannot say there is police brutality until it is investigated and proven by a court of law. So we can only say that there are cases of persons who have passed on in various would have been mandamano, which turned out to be criminal activities not representing Article 37 of our Constitution, and unfortunately led to loss of life. Loss of life, no matter the circumstances, is regrettable, but the necessary institutions will investigate, including IPOA, and they will find out who are culpable. The law is very clear about culpability on matters of criminal acts. I don't think any organizer, I have said and I insist here that any person who has organized these acts of terrorism, burning police stations, burning vehicles, burning courts, burning supermarkets, we continue to insist that those are acts of terror. I wonder why, and I still insist, I still see the president of LSK going about defending criminals. Yes, we know that they are suspects. Who doesn't know that? But they are suspects of terror. And we are not relenting on that fact that those people deserve to be charged for acts of terror, to instill fear in the public, and their objective is to make sure that there are no working institutions by burning courts, burning police stations, stealing guns, killing people, burning supermarkets, and we will charge them for what they have done and what they did. I want to